Hey, it's Tamara Danae. How we doing today? Happy New Year, you guys. It's a brand new year, first video of the new year, and I wanted to share it all with you guys while unboxing some stuff. I got some skincare items from Peach and Lily, treated myself to a little birthday gift from Sephora, and last but not least, I got stuff from the queen herself, Miss Halsey from About Face. So yeah, I'm excited. So let's get right into it because I am in a rush. I'm going to go see my friends for brunch and I have not seen these friends in a long time. So I'm very excited. Gloomy day we're having. Hopefully the lighting doesn't look too weird, maybe. I don't know, we'll have to fix it. If so, I don't care anymore. Got out my handy dandy scissors. Oh shoot. Yeah, this is going great, you guys. Okay. That was so dramatic, I'm so sorry. But you knew what you signed up for the moment that you subscribed to my channel. The moment that you clicked on my profile to come see my videos, you knew. All right, let's see what we got here. So, like I've stated in the past, I am oily skin. So I got the Oily Skin Essentials Kit. So it comes with a face mask, pore toner, and a nice moisturizer for glass skin. So I'm gonna go wash my face real quick and I shall return. All right, I am back. Face is washed. So I'm going to save the mask for later because I think give your skin a total reboot. Directions: apply on even layer of clean, dry skin. Leave on for 15-20 minutes. Don't have time for that today. So unfortunately, we'll have to leave the mask for later. The toner we can use today. So we're gonna pat. He wants you to pat this on your skin after cleansing, which I just did. Just a couple drops there. So for those who don't know, Peach and Lily is a Korean skincare brand, and that's what I've been wanting. I've been wanting to get into Korean skincare just because I think it seems that they have the best options. So that's what I've been going with. And I have oily skin, so I want to control that. All right, next we have their Glass Skin Water Gel Moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna put a pump here. Uh-oh, wait, oh. There we go. Oh no, did I miss myself? There we go. There we go, okay. I'm gonna rub that everywhere. All right, so this is not Korean skincare, but sunscreen. Y'all do not forget sunscreen. I know it's winter and clearly no sun is in sight. Wear your sunscreen. It don't matter. It does not matter. Oh, sounds like I need some more. Honestly, I think I was gonna get the Peach and Lily sunscreen. I think they were sold out at the time of my purchase or something. Here. So yeah, I'll definitely need to get some more. If they don't have any more, whatever, Target has some, and we're just gonna do that on ears, the neck, anywhere where your skin is visible. That's where you need to put sunscreen, Miss Ma'am. Sir, am I not binary people? Come on now, get with the program. I have some Burt's Bees coconut and pear moisturizing lip balm in case I decide to go with liquid lipstick or something. Well, that's awkward. All right, so let's get into some makeup. Well, specifically eyeshadow. Let's do Halsey's About Face line, see what I got from there. Because honestly, I ordered so long ago, I don't remember. Because I wanted to open it with you guys. You should feel very special. Okay, so it looks like I got some matte fluid eye paints. So I got a couple of pink ones, an orange and a red, because I think those are the only colors of the rainbow of her line that I did not get. And then I have a black shadow stick because I don't have anything in black from her line either. And like, they're always sold out. And these were always sold out too, so I'm finally glad I got some. I went with the silver fractal glitter eye paint. So she really changed up the packaging, because I remember when About Face first launched, they came in like these fancy boxes, which is fine. I'm not upset about how they came in these little plastic things, but just, boy oh boy, COVID is kicking everybody's financial booty. Isn't that right? So this shadow stick, the black one, is called Kill the Light. This red one is called Scream of Consciousness. The orange one is called Spectre. The light pink one is called On Point. I really like that. Hey, no, that's gorgeous. The darker pink is called La Zona Rosa. And lastly, the fractal glitter eye paint is called Refract, and this is the more silver one. She changed the packaging on these. I'm kind of glad she did. It's not that I didn't like the other ones. Let me show you. Let me see if I can find it. Like, her fractal glitter eye paints used to come in these. And like, I don't know, I didn't hate them. But I guess a lot of people did. because they kind of do remind you of samples, but like, don't let the size fool you. There is a lot of product in these. I use these every day and there's still product left. Well, not every day, but you know what I mean. So these are the exact same thing, exact same family in her company. But yeah, I have to say I do like this packaging better. I do. Okay. Drum roll, please, for the Sephora haul. Ready? You guys, because what I bought, I'm telling you, it's so epic. I'm trying not to stand myself. I promise it's coming. Oh yeah, I forgot. They gave me some Dior perfume for my birthday. So that was cute. Joya Anniversary. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm trying to learn French right now. I feel like that one SpongeBob episode, you know, they're like, okay, my SpongeBob people who understood that reference will understand. Sorry if you don't. Sorry that your life sucks. Okay, I bought myself a Danessa Myricks palette for my birthday because I have been eyeballing these palettes ever since I found out about Danessa Myricks, and I was like, you know what, it's my birthday. I've been wanting these for so long. My birthday was December 23rd, by the way, so it was a long time ago, but anyway, I've been wanting these for so long. So I was like, you know what, I'm treating myself. It is my birthday, and that's exactly what I did. And you guys, so this palette is more on the expensive side, but it's black owned. Danessa Myricks is a wonderful black, beautiful black woman, hardworking. Your makeup artists wanna be makeup artists, okay? Like, she is a big deal. And honestly, I prefer when makeup artists are the ones that starting their own makeup line or even skincare lines, because like they know what they're doing and like they know what they're talking about, not these cash grabs these celebrities are doing. Brad Pitt has a skincare line, Ariana Grande has a makeup line. It's just like, okay, stop. I've had enough. Like, y'all are not giving. Honestly, okay, but I will say this. When Rihanna came out with her makeup line, Fenty Beauty, I was like, ugh, celebrity skincare, or I was like, ugh, celebrity makeup brand? Eh. But she blew everybody out the water, okay? Like, she had them girls running. Like, she set the bar. It's kind of sad that, you know, when did she launch? 2016 or something like that? That like, why did it take that long for dark skinned women to get a foundation that matches them? And like that has the correct undertones and everything, and concealers and, you know, your bronzers and your contour. It's ridiculous. And honestly, like I said, I tried Fenty products. I've literally loved, I'll say 9 things out of 10 from Fenty. Don't get your eyeshadows from Fenty, go to ColourPop. Back to this. And this packaging, Danessa. I love black people. So this is her Lightwork Volume 4 Transcendent Palette, Illuminating Eye and Face Pigments. All right. Oh, my neighbor is driving away. I don't want to be seen filming. Well, that's embarrassing. I did not see him walk outside the house. Oops. Anyway, okay, ready? Are you ready for this moment of truth, y'all? Look at this. Look at... I can't even speak right now. Oh my, y'all. Do y'all see? I'm speechless. Just like, even. So these are her water activated liners, by the way. I don't think the camera is just doing this justice. I don't. Like, I don't even know which one to swatch. I don't. I'm so stunned, and I don't have to be somewhere in a few minutes. Like, do you guys see that? Y'all. How it's like purple, but like you see some green and blue hues. I don't got time for y'all today. I don't. Let's do out of body at the corner here. My middle finger. Yo. These need to get on my eyes right now. Okay, let's just do the eyes real quick. Let's go. All right, so what I'm thinking for this eye look today, I'm gonna go with the 2 pinks because I like pink. So I'm gonna start off with the lighter one, the On Point. Come on. Nice. So because these are liquid eyeshadows, I'm actually not going to go ahead and put on my NYX eyeshadow base primer because there's no need. And I'm just going to spread this all over my eye. And blend. Like, one thing I love about face products, like the liquid eyeshadows, like, you do have time to play around like a little bit, but don't get too crazy. Like, you still need to hurry up and blend, but you do have some time. La Zona Rosa. I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner and a little bit on the inner corner. Like so, like that. I'm gonna hurry and blend. Like so, like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is coming together. Okay, I don't even know what to use for this, so I was thinking, ooh, I think the only one that would actually make sense, like going with my outfit wise, would be Angels. So I'm gonna put that on my finger. And I'm gonna put some right smack in the middle of my eye. Just like that. I am literally so excited to play with all these colors. Seriously though, look at heaven. Okay, I'm gonna swatch one more. Like this, where'd it go? Like this trippy one. You can't even make this stuff up. You can't. Okay, one more. I'll do, okay, two more, I lied. Okay, I'm gonna do Divinity and Nirvana. Divinity. And Nirvana. You guys, I'm about to cry. This is the best birthday gift I could ever give myself. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'm gonna be right back. I have to film a couple of TikToks, so make sure you go around my TikTok to see. Ow, that hurts so bad. I can't tell you how many times I have stabbed myself with these nails. They're so cute. You guys, look at this. I did this myself. I'm that girl. I don't care what nobody says. All right, anyway, go to my TikTok so you can see part of what I filmed, and bye. And this is the final look. Do we like my about face, Danessa Myrex? I got threw a little bit of Fenty in there. What do we think? What do we think? All right, y'all. Well, I am late for brunch. My friend's about to cuss me out. It's probably especially Erica or probably especially Shay. Honestly, Shay's probably late too. Angelique is a nice one. All right, well, I have to go. You guys, thank you so much. It means the world to me that you are here with me when you can literally be anywhere else. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Drink your water and eat your vegetables. Bye. Not the police going by. They've been going by all morning. Lord have mercy. Okay, bye.